heritage, timelessness, technology. How do we define the future of tradition? Discover our newest creation, the VKX. At Adel, we believe that knowledge comes from experience. The more we see, the more we learn. With this knowledge comes freedom. Freedom to explore. Freedom to escape. Freedom to reimagine what we thought we knew. Music transcends both space and time. For us, headphones are more than a piece of technology. They're a true travel companion. This is what we had in mind when designing the VKX, Adel's first wireless headphones. Over a year in the making, crafted from a single block of aluminium, the VKX allies pioneering audio technology with matchless comfort. Our artisans trim and shape each skin one by one for a truly unique finish. Innovation paired with precision. Excellence born of expertise. The key to success lies in the mastery of details. Each pair of headphones is assembled by hand in our Parisian workshop. We believe that there is nothing more rewarding than being able to create something from scratch. Because small-scale production doesn't have to mean small-scale vision. At Adel, we think that luxury is all about saying more with less. So, we'll let the VKX speak for itself.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing Sparkmaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. Sparkmaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to Sparkmaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. Sparkmaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with Sparkmaker. Sparkmaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects, or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create Sparkmaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce Sparkmaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.
How many secrets do you carry around every day? Your wallet, your phone, and some little secret. Oh, no, not that. This secret. Besides the ones that need to be put in the safe, you must have some secrets you write down that require proper protection. Introducing Lockbook, the world's first writing notebook with a biometric fingerprint sensor. Lockbook comes with a 0.40 inch by 0.55 inch fingerprint sensor with 508 dpi resolution. The biometric fingerprint sensor allows Lockbook to recognize your fingerprint and unlock within 1 second. When it is locked, no one can even try to take a peek. You can bring it wherever you want to. Your office, conference room, client's office, or anywhere else. For an innovative notebook, the product design is also top-notch. To provide you with a better writing experience, we chose the top quality paper for the pages inside, possibly the best in the world. For long-term convenience, we use the binder design and provide you with different accessories, like refill paper, a hole puncher, pocket folders, sticky notes, etc. Be as creative as you want to design your own notebook. Now we need your help to deliver Lockbook to you. Please help us turn Lockbook into reality so you can put as many secrets as you want in your notebook.
Keep your home and family protected with the Halo Plus Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm with weather alerts. Halo's Smart Logic combines 6 different sensors to quickly detect fast or slow-burning fires, even carbon monoxide with less false alarms. Halo lets you know exactly where the danger is. A voice alert will tell you what's wrong. A ring of light illuminates, and you'll get an alert sent to your smartphone. Stay on top of important alerts with mobile notifications sent straight to your smart device, or connect with one of our smart home partners, Alexa, Iris, and SmartThings, to name a few. Customizable NOAA weather radio keeps your family informed of any nearby disasters, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. Transform your Halo into an accent light and customize it to suit your mood by using the Halo app or speaking to Alexa. Plus, our 10-year backup battery ensures that you'll never need to get out of bed to take down a smoke alarm again. Halo Smart Labs. Safety reimagined.